Yes, it wasn't a big total. It's 172 is a fighting total, but we made it easy for the fielders. They really done well, and other bowlers really did well.
What do you feel? What is the feeling like among your mates over there? Euphoria, you're very, very happy, obviously.
Yes, really happy. All are really happy because we last year we were champion. We are this year also champions. It's a great achievement.
Well, you have done well yourself. Thank you very much for talking to us. Congrats.
Thank you.
Musharraf Hossain Rubal, ladies and gentlemen, that is the Prime Bank man of the match. Okay, now the man of the series is very, very crucial. There have been a lot of players in contention from all the different teams. And you know that all these days we've been showing you the Ford Fiesta, wonderful car that is over there. And someone's going to drive away with it. Who is it going to be? In 12 matches, 329 runs, 15 wickets with the highest of 59 not out and bowling figures of 3 for 19. Shakib Al Hasan is the player, the man of the series for the second year running. Dhaka Gladiators have won it second year running. Shakib Al Hasan has won it second year running. Wow, listen to the cheer. It's fantastic. Must have a little chat with the man of the series. Shakib, few words please. Up for the chant. Shakib, isn't it wonderful? Congratulations, Shakib. You don't need any more cars, do you?
Well, I need one for my wife. She, from the BPL start, she told me, I want that car, so this is for her.
Oh, this is brilliant, and the crowd have really enjoyed it. You've lifted up your reputation, and you must be knowing that I think today in the ICC rankings, you are on the top of the ICC all-rounders list once again. Congrats for that also.
Well, yeah, but in test matches, although I didn't play anything, any games, but I'll take it. It feels good when you get some awards or achievement. It feels obviously good. It inspires you to play well. I want to say thanks to the crowd. They have been fantastic throughout this BPL. Love you guys. The way you supported Dhaka, I thought it was terrific. We just feel like this is our home.
This is your home. Well done today. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Shakib Al Hasan, the man of the series. Ladies and gentlemen. Okay, now we've had some sponsorships. The Lafarge has donated to the Tori Foundation, which is an autistic school. They have donated $4,500 check, and it goes to the Tori Foundation. It's going to be handed over by Mrs. Saida Tahia Hussain, and on behalf of the autism school, young lady is going to come across and accept. This is a wonderful, wonderful thing that they're doing, and we must support the cause here. It's a very generous effort, a very huge humanitarian effort, and we just hope that this sort of sponsorship happens again and again and again. It is very badly needed. Thank you, young lady. Thank you very much for collecting it. This is very heartening. Thank you very much. Well done. Oh, you want to say thank you?
My heartiest thanks to Lafarge University and PCB for supporting us, for supporting autistic children, especially all children. Thanks to all.
Thank you very much for coming here and sharing all this with us. Thank you. Lovely lady. Thank you very much. Big cheer for her, please, once again, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, we're almost to the business end of this presentation ceremony. The Prime Bank runner-up trophy will be handed over by Mr. Najmul Hasan, and let me tell you the prize money. For the runners-up, Chittagong Kings, they'll receive 3 crore taka. 3 crore taka, and the runner-up trophy will be handed over to Mahmudullah Riyad by the President of the Bangladesh Cricket Board, Mr. Najmul Hasan. Mahmudullah Riyad, if you'd like to come across and collect the runners-up trophy and the check, I repeat once again, 3 crore takas. Well done, well done. Wonderful tournament, the Prime Bank BPL, and it's come to this penultimate award. Mahmudullah Riyad receiving the Prime Bank runner-up trophy. Just waiting for the photographers who are here in numbers. Everyone here's numbers. Really enjoyed the tournament, and it's been a great tournament so far. Mahmudullah Riyad is just accepting that check. Okay, now, ladies and gentlemen, the big one. It is the Champions Trophy, and it goes to the Dhaka Gladiators. They're going to collect it, and the prize money is 5 crore Dhaka, 5 crores. A very good amount, and Mr. Najmul Hasan is going to hand it over to Mashrafi Murtuza, captain of the Dhaka Gladiators. Brilliant. What a moment. A moment to cherish. Everyone around. Come on, you can join them. You bring in the team. Ladies and gentlemen, the champions of Prime Bank BPL 2, Dhaka Gladiators. Hey, in you guys. All right, all of you, join in. Oh, they have retained the trophy that they won, and Shakib is being carried on their shoulders. This is really fantastic. I'm just going to move out of the way to allow the winning team to accept the prize. In the meantime, there is also another award that will be given. I'll just mention that in a little while. Wow, look at that. Look at all the lights, the confetti. This is absolutely fabulous. The winners of Prime Bank BPO are the Dhaka Gladiators. Okay, as the proceedings go on, ladies and gentlemen, we have a Walton raffle draw. As the cheers go up, we'll just do it on this side here. The winning prize is a Walton 125cc motorbike, and the winning number is 743810. 743810. This is the Walton raffle draw for the spectators here, and the winner is Mr. Taposh Bishash, and he gets that fabulous Walton Fusion 125cc. It has been a wonderful Prime Bank BPL, ladies and gentlemen, and we've thoroughly enjoyed it. We sincerely hope you have, and that is all from the presentation area.
Some fabulous scenes. Was the moment we have been discussing, Athar and Sheena, that who will take the fabulous Ford Fiesta, and how will he drive it?
Yes.
All that, the lights have gone off, and still.
This is going to be a time when I think they're going to be putting all the crackers, and the fireworks are going to happen. But what a wonderful experience it has been with BPL for the second time. BPL is not just the brilliance of cricket, but a wonderful experience of human life through learning, fun, and entertainment. প্রথম BPL খুবই ভালো ছিল, and দ্বিতীয় BPL আরো ভালো হলো, তৃতীয় BPL হবে অতি উত্তম। আপনাদেরকে অনেক অনেক ধন্যবাদ for the love, support and encouragement. We shall cherish it forever.
In some fireworks time now, indeed, there was some great month of cricket, day in and day out, and this is the way you celebrated some great sixes, some great moments.
Wow, look at that.
And this is the way to go about it. Some brilliant celebrations, fireworks all around.
Yeah, these are lovely scenes here at the Sher-e-Bangla National Stadium. What a way to celebrate the final, and what a way to finish off in grand style.
Wow, look at that.
That's exactly what it's lighting up the whole sky.
It looks like a different universe from here, from the studio altogether. Because it's dark and it's just amazing with all the lights like twinkling in the sky. I feel like twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are.
Bangladesh in front of not only the world of cricket,
See
but
you
in
back
front of the
in
whole world.
BPL 2014, that is what it says. Well, যেমন আমরা বললাম that প্রথম BPL প্রথম বিপিএল খুবই ভালো ছিল, দ্বিতীয় বিপিএল আরো ভালো হলো, তৃতীয় বিপিএল হবে অতি উত্তম।
What strong message this is conveying to the world that BPL is here to stay and it will become better and stronger as the time goes on. And let's hope that we can have some matches in Sylhet as well and in other cities as well, because Bangladesh is beautiful.
Hopefully, oh yes, there's no question about Bangladesh. Absolutely stunning.